Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we are on Thinkorswim and we're actually going to be looking at Bitcoin. So if you've seen my prior crypto video, it was Bitcoin miners. I did talk about Bitcoin at the very end, but let's talk about Bitcoin for this whole video, where I think the price will go and where we can find consistent patterns. So again, we're on Thinkorswim. We are on the daily chart. If you know me, I like to look at the bigger picture. I have so many overlays on this screen. We have our MACD, we have our slow stochastics, MACD lines, we have the enhanced relative strength index, and we have the enhanced volume. The enhanced volume shows us when there is more buying or selling below or above, depending on buy or sell, the standard deviation. So like this bright green, that buying is above the normal standard deviation of buy volume. And for sell volume, I don't see any, but maybe we'll see it on the next screen. So we're on the daily. We're going to look at the monthly because you know me, I like to look at the bigger picture. And I'll zoom in here. All right. So here is our mishmash chart. This color red that you're seeing here is the standard. This is above standard selling, above standard selling, above standard selling, above standard selling. But we also see these bright greens, so above standard buying. And when I say above standard, it's standard deviation. Let's zoom out a little bit. You guys can see. So I have Bitcoin going to around $108,000 if it follows the pattern. So what we are seeing here is I think we're going to see several months of consolidation. I think we could see even into July, prices around 60 or 70,000, 75,000. Then after July, I think we start to get moving, and I think we get close to hitting that 100 or exceeding that 100,000. What I also want to do is we can look at Fibonacci arcs as well. So you can see over here was our past high. This red candle was our prior high, which was at 69,355. So if I go from here to here, basically these troughs here, and here, that is the all-time high for Bitcoin for that cycle. So I have 108,000 as the potential cycle. If it does follow true and again, Bitcoin stays within this channel and continues to go sideways, I think we could see between 108,000 and 120,000. That does not account for any potential blow off tops where it just runs insane for so many days, getting into like 150, 180 before it comes back down to reality. So again, we can see Bitcoin is really respecting this midline. So we have the midline right here, bottom of the channel right here, top of the channel, and then this midline. This last month, or this current candle, which is April, definitely respecting the line here. And so again, we are currently also within this Fibonacci, what is this? Extension? No. Fibonacci arcs, and these are cycle brackets. So Bitcoin, I think after July, we get out of this Fibonacci arc, and I think we start moving up a bit higher considerably. So not as long as my normal videos, but I did want to just release a crypto Bitcoin video. I do see the stock price going within these channels here. You can see the support line, resistance, support, and I think the stock will continue to do until it possibly goes up and then comes back down to reality, and then we restart that cycle. I believe probably mid to end of 2025. So that's based off of these brackets here, but I think a lot of the selling is probably going to come around end of the year into mid 2025. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. This is my Bitcoin crypto video. I'm saying Bitcoin goes to 108, possibly 120. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. Let me know what you guys think. Have a great day.